The world is full of millions of beautiful and charming birds. Every one of them have their own speciality. In such diverse fauna, it's difficult for a member to achieve highness and have significant name. Falcons have emerged themselves as kings of birds for many reasons. This video will be about delightful facts about these amazing creatures. The valorous birds Falcon Shaheen. Each species has a symbol, an organism that outstands the other, has a special charm to it. When it comes to the birds, falcon is one of them. It is associated with might and highness and is a symbol of pride. Falcons are birds of prey, which includes about 40 species. Falcons are widely distributed on all continents of the world except for Antarctica due to its cold weather. There are some pretty interesting facts about falcons that you might not know. Falcons sometimes steal the prey from the feet of other raptors. Falcons can reach the speed of 200 miles per hour when it chases the prey. They are pretty fast hunters. Falcons mate for a lifetime just like humans do. Falcon is also the fastest animal on the planet Earth. They have excellent binocular vision, 8 times better than that of a human being. The falcons can see prey from the distance of 3 kilometers. The sense of hearing of falcons is not exceptional, but it's fine. And their sense of smell is poor. Falcons kill with their beaks using a tooth on the side of their beaks, but the hawks and eagles use their feet. Hours after eating a meal, a falcon will regurgitate a pellet containing any feathers, fur, or small bones swallowed accidentally during the meal. Both parents look after their chicks until they are big enough and strong enough to feed for their own. The falcon is a bird of prey that, typically sitting close to the top of the food chain, has few predators. The female falcon is generally larger than the male falcon. For over 4,000 years, Bedouin tribes have been training falcons to hunt and capture small desert animals for food. The male falcon performs various traits, rapid dives, and other acrobatics in the air to attract females. As a gift, males provide food for the females in mid-air. The falcons were about to be declared extinct, but they came back and the population is increasing now.